I know you turned your back on me just to get some break. I see you swerve back. What is up, people? Cause I be getting paid. Yellow lemon, love me, look at lemonade. Mama, baby, mama, that do bentay. Tryna get it done like a sensei. Rose lights, umbrellas, while I'm in the rain. That is my business, ayy. I got rather than the time I can, ayy. I need rappers to talk about it, I live it. Going up, I ain't got no sky limit, yeah. Alright, what's up, guys? I'm heading home. And let's talk about riding in the rain. All with the whole team. Cause I'm balling. Turn on my lights. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah, yeah. Riding in the rain. It's basically doing everything half speed. Doing everything half to half the ability that you normally do it. You see me? You don't go fast. You don't hold your brake aggressively. I'm gonna go around this side. Holy moly! You see me? Don't hold your brake very sharply. You see me? Don't press your brake very sharply. Take your time. You see me? There are a lot of, should I say, a lot of hazards when it rains. Garbage and stuff can wash from various places. In Jamaica we have a lot of in Jamaica we have a lot of land, so a lot of dirt washes down. Fix the camera. Yeah, so a lot of dirt washes down from various places and stuff like that. So you want to be mindful. Oh, this a sneak upside of me. So you have to be very mindful. Hey, them silent muffler, I go be the death of us, you know. Like, bro, I didn't even hear the man beside me. So I'm carried I come out. Slow down. And I give a panic, I'm going to do the side. Alright, so yeah, you see, like when you see little puddles like this all up here, so some of them, yeah, when you see them little puddles there, they could be potholes. Potholes are covered in water when it rains. So do not, you see, anywhere you see any little puddle, stay out of that. Ride with the place that dry. Ride where it is dry and keep to that part of the road. You see me? If you have to ride behind vehicles, stay in the wheel part. So you ride with them wheel there. That way there. How dare you make me put my foot on the ground? Don't ride on the white line too, guys. The white line is very slippery. Any painted surface is slippery. Oh, my youth here across the road here, even look, my youth. My youth. Just sneaking right here like that. Yeah, so puddles, stay out of puddles. They can be potholes. So just ride where you see less water. You see me? Lines, stay away from painting surfaces. You see me? Stay off the lines, bro. Speed, try to go at a moderate speed. No matter with the fasting. Cause the thing is, your bike won't stop as quick. You see me? Won't stop as quick as vehicles. So you want to take your time and navigate at a decent speed, you know. I preach this every day. Be mindful of your environment. You come to a stop, look around. If you use mirrors, look what's behind you. Look who's behind you. You see me? Turn your head, look. Turn your head and look. Be paranoid in the streets. Don't sit at the stoplight and stare in front of you. Somebody could be walking up behind you with a gun, a knife, something. You never know. Don't take people for granted. Don't take anything for granted. Take time and go through the middle right here. You see me? Use up your horn. Pardon me for the lack of horn. I have not fixed the horn on this bike. I don't really care if you cry. Oh, on the rail, you should never lie. Through the solid way, she looked me in my eye. She said, baby, I'm not afraid. I get distracted real quick. Really. Hold on, Mr. Wagon. Whee! I only open up. Why? Why? So I only give it gas when I know I have a clear path ahead of me. Yes, sir. Gear down to the stop. I'm not afraid to. When you stop, ensure that you're not putting your foot in a puddle of water. Oh, stoplight. Ensure you're not putting your foot in a puddle of water. BMW, choose a lane quick, no man. Yeah. Make sure you are aware of where you're putting your foot. Don't put your foot down in water. Don't put your foot down on painted surfaces. Try not to stop over them. Yeah. Who that? Who the frick that? The frick that, bro? Yo. Bro, what is this, bro? You're in traffic, bro. Nice life, eh? They are doing my thing, man. Eh? Yeah. Yeah. I kind of didn't want nobody to recognize me on this bike. That's why I'm not posting nothing about it. Yeah, bro. There, I do it. You see it? Alright, look over. Woo! We got a lot of light up ahead, you know. Put on the indicators. Lucky, lucky, say me have service, you know.
Alright, before the king catch up.
Look. Yeah. Lucky, say me have service, you know, cause turn me that, turn me, you know. Alright guys, I've returned. Nah, I mean money now. Young nigga on the corner, I deserve crack, I'll give my name is a piece. Yeah, so we're talking about riding in the rain and all these jazz. Got a new one, voodoo. Yeah. So riding in the rain is not scary. If you're a first time biker, it will feel scary, but it's not. Just take your time. That's the best thing. Use less of your brake. You see me? Don't stay behind a vehicle where you can't see around. That's a rule of thumb as well. I put in no AP, look what I like a boat. I know you turned your back on me. Go away! Yeah, boy, hey boy, me am a posse a roll, is it? Me and the posse, me on the let which hole. Me and the posse. Come man, clear the way, let which hole. Alright, look more guys, soon on, yeah? Respect. Additionally guys, there's something that I forgot to mention. You see, if you're riding when the place is wet, you see the initial wet, you see the first little shower down or touch the ground, just know say that's gonna be the slipperiest time. Yeah. Why? Because what happens is all the oil, everything start lifting up off of the ground. The oil and all the different lubrication them, the fluid them where they pan the road, all of them start lift up when water start touch them. Them lift up and them run on the road. So the road is gonna be more slippery at that time. And you see me? Because your tires are basically going from dry to wet. So when your tires are already wet, it's not so bad. You see me? But that initial shower down is when it's gonna be more slippery. You see me? So you must take a little time until your tires get wet, and then the water start go through the blouse and skirt. I remember in the mall with the whole team, nigga. Yeah, that's when your tires start getting more, you know, whatever, man. I'm trying to explain something, man. I'm keep on forgetting my words, man. Now that girl looks good-ish. I don't even see her face. One bad bitch look like a masterpiece. Looking for a dump like an athlete.